So finally, JED is sending the associate invitation to AI interview, and this is going to be a 40 to 50 minute interview, AI interview basically. And what is this opportunity? How you can apply? Because you can easily apply. The application is active and they are actively reviewing the application. But in this video, there is the biggest off-campus drive 23, 22 to 23 batches eligible. One more biggest off-campus drive which is going to be a direct referral opportunity with IN8 lab, which is the biggest entry level opportunity. But please watch video till end, otherwise you will not get to see the any shortlisting mail. Definitely प्लीज वॉच करो पहले, सबसे पहले लास्ट तक, उसके बाद ही कोई एक्शन लेना. फर्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी कमिंग फ्रॉम एंटीनो एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ मेगा हायरिंग ड्राइव ऑफिशियली अनाउंस्ड है. हरियाणा गुड़गांव लोकेशन इज द फुल टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी. बट इफ यू सी हियर एक्सेप्ट क्राइटेरिया, देयर इज नॉट रिटन एनी डोमेन, एनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. मेगा हायरिंग ड्राइव फॉर बीटेक एंड एमसीए ओनली इज एलिजिबल फ्रॉम द बैचेस 2020 to 23 batches eligible. This opportunity is for on-site role in Delhi NCR. Click on this, apply now, scroll down. There is only 20 BTech and MCA is eligible, 20, 21, 22, 23 batches eligible. Click on yes, click on immediate joining and click on no, currently not employed, and attach your updated resume. That's it. But there is not written anything. Why? So ये जो होने वाली है ना, ये प्योर IT रोल होने वाला है तुम्हारा. So you have to add software development projects, software development skills like GitHub, HDLC, Waterfall, Agile methodology, any one programming language with database and HTML, CSS, web technologies. If you are putting only these domain, you will get the shortlisting mail. But please, if you have any internship experience or you are getting there that the stipend something 10,000, 12,000, so you can also give here. But if you don't have any internship or you are a entry level fresher, absolutely fresher, then give any. ठीक है. And check box on I am not a robot, then submit the application as soon as possible. This is the biggest opportunity going on. Don't see there is only the criteria ये लिख दिया गया because मेगा ड्राइव है, उनको तो चाहिए, ये बच्चे तो इतना नहीं लिखा है. But this is pure IT role. ठीक है. Update your resume before applying and the company name is Antino. Second biggest opportunity coming from AppsLogic. 24-25 fresh graduates is eligible. Basically 24-25 batches eligible. ठीक है. Only fresher is eligible. And if you scroll down, there is two roles: cyber security engineer fresher, data engineer fresher. So put as per your interest because domain is basically obviously different because cyber security is different and this is different. So 24-25 pass out is eligible. Gurugram location is there. Send your updated resume on this email as soon as possible. Send your resume. That's it. सारा क्राइटेरिया लिखा है. BA BTech कंप्यूटर साइंस IT सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग इज एलिजिबल. बट प्लीज जब तक ये चीज ऐड ना करो तब तक अपना रेज्यूमे सेंड मत करना. फर्स्ट अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे विद दीज डोमेन एंड प्लीज अप्लाई इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल. सो दिस इज द JEDS which is going to be a big opportunity because people are receiving the interview mail. But in the last of the video, but मैं ये तुम्हें एंडिंग में बताऊंगा, so please watch video till end. So biggest fresher opportunities announced IN8 labs 25 only batches eligible and this is pure IT role. ठीक है. full stack development, data engineering, data analytics, 3 role is there. BTech CS IT is eligible. You have to simply click on this link, but only few hours is left for this opportunity. Click on yes and click give your only 25 batches eligible. If you are from BTech computer science IT software engineering, give there. And if you want to join the full stack developer role, then click on as per your interest. ठीक है. click on immediate joining, update your resume as per your job role. ठीक है. if you are going for a full stack developer, then MERN, Java full stack, Python full stack is needed, means not needed, essential है वो. and data engineer अपने हिसाब से करो. data analytics, Python, Excel हो गया. updated resume send करना है. only few hours is left. ठीक है. only 1 week ago they posted, but only few candidate applied for this opportunity. so please apply it as soon as possible. and one more direct test opportunity. this is a quick reminder. basically only 2 days is left and the test is live. complete it as soon as possible. there is MCQs and 10 MCQ and 2 programming and open to all, means all freshers is eligible. 25 batch, 26 batch is eligible, 23-24 is eligible. this is quick reminder. start now as soon as possible. ठीक है. now JEDS decision Altix associate role is announced. see what the mail is saying. this is 40 to 10 minute AI interview. ठीक है. and make sure some tips before taking the AI interview. you can easily read if you got the mail. ठीक है. I'm not going to share these things. so what is this role? basically this is decision analyst role. ठीक है. which is going to be a this role. ठीक है. Pune multiple location is there. why multiple location? because this is going to be a mass opportunity. now scroll down. BA BTech computer science IT software engineering data science all is eligible. up to 3 year means 0 to 3 year. ठीक है. English is compulsory. anyone programming with these tools These interpersonal skill is very mandatory. Put these domain on your resume, otherwise you will not get to see this mail. ठीक है. So first round जो होने वाला है ना, this is AI interview. First round is only AI interview. After that, if you crack this AI interview, basically this is an elimination round. Don't think that this is a normal opportunity or normal round. This is elimination round. After that you will get the actual interview. ठीक है, जो कि पर्सन वाला इंटरव्यू होगा, मतलब इंसान वाला, ह्यूमन बींग वाला, और ये भी वर्चुअल होगा. ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट फेस टू फेस इंटरव्यू. सो प्लीज कंप्लीट इट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. और ये जो होगा ना, ये बहुत बेसिक होगा. बेसिकली HR होगा इसमें. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत पॉलिसी समझा देंगे, बिकॉज दिस इज ओनली गोइंग टू बी एलिमिनेशन राउंड. बिकॉज 40 to 50 मिनट इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल थिंग. दे विल चेक योर AI इंटरव्यू, व्हाट हाउ यू परफॉर्म्ड बेसिकली. ठीक है, तो ये AI इंटरव्यू में ही सब कुछ पूछ लिया जाएगा. फिर जो भी रहेगा वो HR और थोड़ा नॉर्मल सा रहेगा. ठीक है, तो फोकस जस्ट ओनली इन दिस इंटरव्यू विच इज AI इंटरव्यू JS Associated. ठीक है, तो अप्लाई इट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. अप्लाई इट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. ठीक है, डोंट टेक रेफरल, अप्लाई इट मैनुअली. सो लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.